guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Genevieve Abunchi, in case this is your first time joining us. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys 4 different ways you can draw your eyeliner. There are 4 different eyeliner styles, and if you want to know what I'm talking about, please keep watching this video. But before we start this video, please subscribe to my channel and also turn on your notification bell so you get notified on my next upload. Thank you. So the first thing I'll be doing is to set my eyelid with some setting powder. This will prevent your eyeliner from running in case you are using a liquid liner. In today's video, I'll be using the Maybelline Colossal Liner in black. So the first style is the tight line. All you have to do is to hold the brush palette directly to your lash line and draw out that line toward the outer corners of your lash line. And this is called the invisible eyeliner because it is so close to your lash line. This technique gives your eyes more definition and it makes your eyelashes appear thicker. The next one, use your brush to flick a small wing in the outer corner, and this one is called the baby wing. The best thing about the baby wing is that it fits all eye shape and it looks flawless on a simple makeup. The third one, all you have to do is to extend the wing further and make the outer corner thicker. And this one, guys, is called a cat eye. Cat eyeliners give a very retro inspired fit to your eye makeup and it elongates your eyes. The fourth one, now I will be extending the wing a little further, moving it upward and making it more thicker. And this one is called the dramatic wing. The dramatic wing is more bold, more geometric, and has a defined flick, which is thicker than a cat eye. Lastly, I will be using my liner to touch up the inner corners of my eyes. And those are the 4 basic eyeliner styles. Please let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. If you did, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and when you do, please hit your notification bell so you get notified on my next upload. See you soon. Bye.